Let's start by opening the Notifications Management app. This is your go-to place to view all incoming maintenance requests. You'll be able to see a list of everything that's either waiting for approval or currently being processed. The app uses color codes to show you the urgency level of each request. You'll get a clear description of the maintenance issue, the location, and the equipment involved, especially if there's a breakdown. Go ahead and select a request that's pending approval. You'll notice this request here hasn't been checked yet. It's still awaiting approval and assignment. Here's where you'll find all the information the requester provided about the maintenance need. Take a moment to review the details, including how long it's been since the breakdown occurred. You can make changes if needed. For instance, I'm going to change the priority level to very high because I think it's more urgent than initially assessed. You'll also see who's been assigned to handle it and the person who submitted the request. Once you're satisfied, you can choose to approve or reject the notification. Let's go ahead and approve it. After approval, you can seamlessly create a work order by moving to the Maintenance Preparation application. It automatically pulls all the necessary information from the maintenance request. Verify that everything looks correct, and then you can create a work order for the maintenance technicians to address. Here, you can also review all the details within the work order. If needed, you can modify the priority, location, and assign a specific team to handle it. You'll find all the operations linked to the work order and manage task lists if you have predefined tasks in your system. For example, if you need a visual inspection of a pump due to an oil leak, you can select that task. This will update the operations list to ensure everything necessary is covered. You have the option to add components if required. Once ready, you can release the work order, allowing maintenance technicians to access and start working on it.